In this video I'm going to show you how to dismantle Mackenzie's Mercantile so you can see how it's put together modularly. First let me show you how solid it is when it's all together. The only thing that's really moving is because the building is not attached to the base so that I can take the pieces apart. Okay, next I'm going to take off the pulley system. Okay, next we take the roof off. You can see that there are some wires here coming in from the light. I do not have I haven't figured out exactly how I'm going to rehook up all of the lights. Probably going to have a strip with screw terminals so that I can screw them in and out. For now they're just loose. And a little closer here you can see that there are pins on the roof where the roof structure is. That's to hold these pieces close to each other. Okay, and then down here you can see the little clips that are holding the walls together. So what I'll do is pull up this one and the other one. Let's see if I can get a good view of that. And now the wall comes off. Okay, so we'll put that wall down. Now you can see the insides. These floors are sitting in here loosely. They are mostly there to hold these two walls apart. Okay, but also this will be where I will attach the wires. And then there's also a floor on the first level. This will be where I'll be putting internal details like the counter in the store and so on. Okay, then we can do a similar thing with the other clips. Take off the back wall. And here's the last clip here. With the last clip out, then I can take these two walls out. You see I have one wire that's coming from the lights that are underneath the awning. So now we have all the parts across. Here you can see you can see the LEDs that are underneath the awning there. Here's the front wall. Here's the side wall. And that's what it looks like when it's all taken apart.